I'm on my way to go meet with a new family, Brad and Apollina. Brad just got back from a business trip last night. He travels a lot. He's going to be heading out again later today, so we're going to be able to catch him. Apollina tells me he rides dirt bikes a lot. He travels, and they have quite the mess on their hands, so I'm excited to see what's going on and how we can help them.
Hi, I'm Brad Baker. I live in this disaster space. I'm a business owner and dirt bike enthusiast. I'm a professional amateur, as I like to call it.
I'm Apollina Baker, Brad Baker's better half, who has a lot of responsibility for this disastrous space.
I want to have a space where I can hang out with the kids and work on projects like we want to do RC cars, we want to ride our bikes, and then have a place to exercise. Honestly, it'd be nice to, like, when we do go do activities, to be able to just grab what I want and just head out.
And maybe fit a vehicle in here.
Yeah, one, yeah.
At least one vehicle in a three-car garage would be nice. And I would love a space to be able to work out as well and just have a designated drop zone for everything and a designated pickup zone and everything to flow, because this is primarily how we enter the home. And walking through this maze is mind clutter in addition to physical clutter. So Amara rides horses. So her tack bag and all her boots and all her equipment is out here. And she's a gymnast as well. And she loves to ride bikes. My son, he does jiu-jitsu, but he also likes, it'd be nice if he could just grab his scooter and get practice out here. I think there's rollerblades.
Yeah, helmets, rollerblades. They got all sorts of fun stuff to go play with, but
can't access it.
Can't really access it. And I think that probably makes it so they don't want to hang out here and do this stuff more. But it's fun. This is why we do it. This is why we work our butts off, so we can play like that and go do crazy stuff and get injured.
Hi, my name is Colleen, and I'm 7 years old. My name is Amara, and I'm 10 years old.
Kai, what do you do in the garage?
What I do with my garage is I play with my dog.
What do you think of the garage?
What do you do?
It's a mess.
What do you think?
It's really a big mess.
Say you wanted to get your bikes out. Where are your bikes?
I know where my bike's right there.
Right there.
I would go over there.
It's over there.
Stuff.
Good. Are you excited to have a clean garage?
Yes. Yeah.
Good.
Meeting with Brad and Apollina was so fun. Their family is wonderful. It's obvious to me that old workbench and that cabinet system need to be removed. We have to get something in there that's new and modern and sexy and fun, because they're really energetic and they want to feel energized when they go into that space. They also have a lot of possessions. Our organizers are going to be hard at work trying to get through everything and get them organized so they can enjoy that space, transition in and out effectively, and the whole family can have fun in there.
So we are about to meet with the client for our kickoff meeting and let them know what the plan is for today. Then I'm going to take some before pictures, and we're going to start pulling everything out of the garage into categories so we can sort it.
Right, the team showed up early this morning. They're pulling this garage apart. Sounds like they need a little help. Let's go give them a hand.
You guys funny, like beers from Mexico or booze from Mexico? Dang it. How about these bypass valves? What do you think we should do with them? Tell me about what that is. This is my buddy Mohit Aaron. He was my mentor for a little bit. He's the inventor of the Google file system. Started a company, Nutanix, and he started another one, Cohesity, and mad props to Mohit.
I'll keep this one, but we can get rid of the other 3. The other 3. This one's.
You get rid of all of it.
What about your art, sweetie?
I don't want it.
You sure?
Yeah.
We'll keep this picture and then we'll get rid of that. If you don't have any golf balls.
This is for us to go to the driving range.
Okay. This one too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Those 2. Yep. Did you say dangerous? You gotta keep it.
Yes. If they don't have a helmet on, they just get on it.
What, you get rid of a skateboard?
You need to monitor with equipment. And
Well, because it's been sitting back here behind everything.
what are you gonna do, baby?
The kids are gonna ride. It's not my skateboard. Remember, because we were banging around in the pool.
No. Should other ones?
You get these, you get the ball in the pool, and then
I'm shot guards.
that's nice. I get to say no. It's too dangerous. You might need it. This was my very first another keepsake, but I've got so many 329Xs from that year. Oh, the helmets look cooler though. Oh, here's another one of her.
Oh yeah, that's when Amara started. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? She was so cute. Should we keep these as a keepsake?
She was racing that bike right over there.
I feel like this is a cute keepsake.
Here's your helmet from DC.
I know, so cute.
Donated.
All right, we're on the last leg of this project. We've put hundreds of labor hours into it. We're almost done. Let's go see how it's looking.
See ya. What's up?
Hey.
See ya.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah, good.
Sailing.
Great.
Oh, it's amazing.
Tell us about. At first, it was very intimidating and embarrassing, honestly, because how do I have so much of this stuff? But then after you guys and your team got to work and started saying, do you really need this? And do you not? I was like, there is no chance I ever would have spent any of that time thinking about it myself.
Yeah, it's been totally life-changing for our family. We actually use this space now. The kids come in and they're excited to come out and grab a baseball and a glove and go out and play.
Yeah. Encouraging the kids to do the stuff that we've always wanted them to do instead of being on devices. Like we just, the baseball gloves there, and they grab balls and bats, and we have a great time.
How are the tools working out?
Oh, it's great. I mean, it's when you open this up, you're like, oh, dude, where's my screwdriver? I got my favorite T-handle. I got my favorite Torx that goes on the bike.
So when the kids need to come out and grab their things to head out to practice, Amara knows exactly where her tack bag, helmet, stirrups are, so we can grab and go. So I know exactly where to go in my gardening tools. Everything is labeled and beautiful. Stress has been reduced. I can't even tell you.
What do we think about the garage now? Well, it's organized, it's clean, it's nice, it feels peaceful. I love it.
It does feel peaceful. The energy in here went from being chaotic and stressful to being calm, peaceful, and actually fun.
What I'm most excited about is to do projects with Amara, being able to get all the tools that I want because I know exactly where they're at. I can work on my bikes, I can fix stuff around the house super quick and easy. It makes me excited.
If someone had told me before that this would be a life-changing experience, just renovating your garage and organizing it, I would not have believed them.
I tell my friends about it. I said, man, they're like, oh, I can't believe you're going to spend money on that. Like, why don't you do it yourself? And then halfway through, I was like, there's no way I would have ever done this.
What we would say to someone who's watching this is just go ahead and do it. Bite the bullet. You will not regret it. It makes a huge difference in your life and your family's life.
Be prepared to feel embarrassed, but be extremely happy by the end. It's amazing.